Market worries for a possible global economic slowdown seem to have intensified in the past week, maybe with the US economy being more in the market's focus. Overall volatility seems to remain high, and we now open the window to see what next week has in store for the markets. On the monetary front, we note from Sweden Riksbank's interest rate decision on Thursday. On Wednesday, though, we also note that Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, ECB President Christine Lagarde, and BOE Governor Andrew Bailey are scheduled to speak at the ECB Forum on Central Banking and could create volatility in the markets. Also, other policymakers from around the world are scheduled to speak during the week and could sway the market's opinion. As for financial releases, we make a start on Monday with the US durable goods orders for May, and on Tuesday we note the release of Germany's forward-looking GfK consumer sentiment for July and the US consumer confidence for June. On Wednesday, we note the release of Australia's retail sales growth rate for May, Eurozone's business climate for June, and the highlight is the release of the final US GDP rate for Q1. On a packed Thursday, we get Japan's preliminary industrial output growth rate for May, China's NBS manufacturing PMI figure for June, UK's final GDP rate for Q1, UK's nationwide house prices for June, France's and Germany's preliminary HICP rates for June, Switzerland's COF indicators for June, Canada's GDP rate for April, and from the US the weekly initial jobless claims figure, as well as the consumption rate for May. On Friday, we get from Japan Tokyo's CPI rates for June, Q2's Tangan indexes, China's Caixin manufacturing PMI for June, Eurozone's preliminary HICP rate for June, and in the American session from the US, the ISM manufacturing PMI figure.